Good morning students, welcome back our online classes science 7th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the second chapter nutrition in animals. In previous classes already have discussed about that the mouth and it contains that teeth, tongue. So what is that teeth? Already have discussed how many types of teeth, what are the functions of teeth, already have discussed in the previous classes. But today we are going to discuss about that very special sensitive organ that is called as tongue. Students, you know students, how you will find out the taste of the food or how you will find out the taste of that your dish. That means it is sour type or it is sweet or it is bitter type taste. How will find out? By the tongue only. Okay. So now we are talking. It is by the help of our tongue also. It is secretes also saliva and it is mixing with the chewed food also, and it helps for the digestion. So it is a very sensitive and important organ of the body inside the mouth. Okay friends, and it is a fleshy muscular organ which is attached back, which is attached of the back, and a front is free. That means the tongue is a fleshy muscular organ which is the back side part is attached but front side part is totally free, and it can move in all direction also. While according our wish, according our instruction, the tongue can move in different, that means all direction can also it will move. So let us discuss about that. What is the tongue and what its work? So students, tongue, it is a fleshy muscular organ, is attached at the back and free at the front. It is muscular organ, and which one is attached back side at that tongue. Suppose this is tongue. So this part is attached and this part is free. That means it can move everywhere in all directions. It can move in all directions. That means while talking or by chewing food or you are drinking or whatever you are doing in mouth, it will help and it can move also. It helps in the mixing the chewed food with saliva. While we are chewing the food, at that time also it will mix some saliva, which one helps for the digestion. It helps in swallowing food. Food will chewed after, it should push into that part, esophagus, and then it will go to the stomach. How it will go? Now by pushing, by helping by the tongue. Okay, so it helps to swallowing the food. Any foods we want to swallow, by the tongue only we can swallow, otherwise it will be stay in the mouth. It helps to detect the different tastes of food with the help of tasty buds. In tongue contains tasty buds. Okay friends, that says observe that, check and detect that what is the tastes of the food. So generally what are the tastes? We can detect four basic tastes. One is salty, sour, sweet and bitter. What are the four tastes you can detect generally? Sour, salty, sweet and bitter. That these four tastes can detect by the tongue. Students, are you clear about this? Tongue is a very sensitive organ also. It is also fleshy muscular organ which is attached to the back of the back and free the front. Okay, and it is move in all direction, and it is the main work to mix with the chewed food with saliva, and it can detect also different tastes like bitter taste, sour taste, salty. Okay, so these are that can find out the tastes of. Okay friends, so next we will discuss about that second part, that means mouth already over. We have discussed that in our alimentary canal. Second one is esophagus, or it is called as also food pipe. What do you mean by students esophagus? Students, the solid food pass from the mouth to stomach through a passage or pipe is called food pipe or esophagus. Students, after the chew the food in the mouth, it should be passage, and there is a pipeline from mouth to stomach. There one pipe is there. That pipe is called as esophagus. Are you clear? Esophagus is just like one pipeline, and a pipeline means from where to? From mouth to, this like pipe is there, mouth to stomach. and this is called as esophagus. Okay, so what is that? Now from that, when that chewed food, after chewing after in the mouth, that it will push. Then from that to there is one pipe is connected from the mouth to stomach, and that pipe is called as food pipe, or it is also called as esophagus. Okay, students. It runs along the neck and the chest. Through the neck, our neck is there. Through this it will pass and the chest up to here. Then after it will go to the stomach. Okay. Students, next third one is the stomach. It is very important organ and parts of the alimentary canal and for the digestion. So students, almost you know that we are eating the food whenever we are feeling hungry or we are taking the food, and almost everybody they will say your stomach now like this, you have taken more food or like that. That means whatever the food we are eating, it is storing in the first in the stomach. Okay, so let us discuss what is that, how it secretes that juice, that biles, that things, whatever that digestion process we will discuss in this. Okay. So observe friends, stomach, it is a thick walled parted bag present in the upper abdomen. Up abdomen का ऊपर, that means there is one bag like sharp bag like it is there, and that bag inside what is that, whatever we are food, chewing food, through that pipe, food pipe, it will go and it will store first in where, in the stomach. Okay, it is the wettest part of the alimentary canal. Whatever that different 7 parts are there of alimentary canal, wettest part, very wettest means widest. So that like part is the stomach is the one of that, and receive food from the food pipe. It will receive, it will store that all the foods from the food pipe. If it will not store, it will not receive, what will happen? The vomiting will come. Some members are feeling vomiting. Okay, when the vomiting will do, why it will? Because the stomach is not ready to receive that. Sometimes you have seen that whenever you take the more food, that it will come vomit. That means the stomach sensation is there. Whenever that it will load or fulfilled, then it doesn't accept. It will be recreate, means it will be resent back. Means where it came again, it will go to up and it will throw outside. The inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, and digestive juice. These are the 3 secrets: inner lining things and stomach secreting. One is mucus, second one is hydrochloric acid, third one is digestive juice. And students, you have seen that when gastrics it will form. Sometimes somebody is telling, I am suffering gastric, some more gases is coming. Why it is happening? Because whenever your stomach will become empty, that time hydrochloric acid will secrete by for the helping to digestion. And it is whenever the food we are taking, some germs are there, some other germs are there which is not good for that health. So that germs, whenever hydrochloric acid will fall on that food, that all the germs it will be died. So for that hydrochloric acid is secreting in the inner things of the stomach. So this hydrochloric acid, if there is no food, also it will secrete. Whenever it will secrete in empty stomach, then it will form that gases. Okay, so it is called as a gastrics. And also digestive juice, and also it is bile duct, that it will help that some juices that which is helping for the digestion. Okay students, next will small intestine, large intestine, annus we will discuss in the next class, next video. Thank you all. These are all the things you should write in your classwork and remember it.